Hello Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 7th of May. Capricorn, let's see what is in your reading for today. If Capricorn only knew that he was in her. Capricorn, if your girl only knew. If your girl only knew, Capricorn. What does your girl know? Let's go. The devil, Capricorn. And let me send a message to a Capricorn out there. No, I am not the one to intervene with man and woman relationship, especially as I don't know what's happening behind closed doors. But Adisha Palmer, aka World Boss, aka Adi am a daddy who want vex, go on vex, aka Adi teacher. Adi, what kind of foolishness me see you though? What kind of, no, listen to me. I don't know what happened, but I feel like you're having a change of heart, Adisha Palmer. I saw you sitting down with your so-called wife, Sidem. Good morning, Sidem. No, Sidem, I don't know what is happening in your relationship. I only can comment as to what I see. I'm not going to turn a blood clot blind eye to it because Sidem is British. Sidem and Adisha Palmer sat down. And I saw the first picture where him did take months ago, where Sidem was in a corner and him sit down and him have him shoes up in a one cross and him take a picture of him shoes with Sidem in the photo. I'ma say, why you treat her like shoes, you traffic her, you treat her like the bottom of your foot. That's what I'm saying in my head, you know. Then I say, okay, fine. I just see a blood clot video again. Right? Sidem is sitting down there, mixing her tea because she's a British woman. Baby, oh my love you, sir. Come in my house, make me touch you. Not right, British link up, have we forgotten? And she asks Adisha Palmer, where's the honey? And he says, see the honey here. Why you do that? No, me can't tell you how to treat a woman. Adisha Palmer is way older than me. You understand? I want to know what a session with Adisha Palmer feel like. But at the same time, I will not stand. That's why I'm sitting down. For the disrespect. What go on with you and see them? What go on? I don't like how that look. She ask you with the honey then you say see it. Why you show her middle finger in front of her? Like, I don't know what go on with them. I don't know if I'm not like her no more. Yeah, maybe because she's so-called boring. Yeah, she not toxic. Yeah, that's how your blood clot wife is supposed to blood clot look. That your wife's supposed to be the most, you know. Same thing, them Draco, them claims that Draco was boring. That's why, what him name? Kevin Gates left her. She not argumentative. She not scream and argue and fling things like a blood clot, toxic, possessed bitch. Right? What kind of, I don't know what go on, but I know what the man cult. I know what the cult with the man them. See them, if you find underwear in your blood clot house is a setup, you hear? The man cult. As a matter of fact, I know something was wrong when Adisha Palmer went on Kai Cenat's show, and I knew that Kai Cenat was such a puppet. When him a doing video, him talk about him a rep Casey. He's repping Casey. Nigga, you're repping the purple. You have Adisha Palmer in the room and in the so-called Jamaica. I say everybody want to be Jamaican so bad. This is crazy. Have Jamaican kids, people. This is your opportunity to get a bad bitch from Jamaica, right? Kyra give my third world girl instead. Giuseppe, Mickey, Anna, Damon, Gamma. Right? Kyra give my third world girl instead. This is men, this is your opportunity to go and bang a Jamaican bitch and get a nice half Jamaican baby from her, right? In I'm song, him says something about him a rep Casey. See they if you just show you how he's a puppet. Adisha Palmer go Calabar. Casey and Calabar had the biggest school rivalry, and you talk about Casey. So it's a case. So the cult what come from Jamaica is a Kingston College. It come from. Cause me hear him say something in the rap when he rap about the whole Jamaican thing. Something about Casey. The Casey is Kingston College. That's purple. Adisha Palmer went to Calabar, Rabalak. For those people who did not know what we refer to Rabalak as when it comes down to Boys and Girls Championships. A Rabalak we did bring. Rabalak are green and black. And a blood clot purple. So on top of Kyson not even knowing the fucking history of fucking Adisha Palmer giving him a fucking Clarks, even though the fucking argument was bring back my blood clot shoes, right? What kind of foolishness that me see I go on with them? She asked her with the honey there, you put up your middle fingers to the honey here. You think a blood clot you? Hey, I will cuss you for her. I will cuss you for fucking her. I saw your blood clot wife. Look, where you want the excitement, girl. Them. Listen to me, sorry, you should know what the fuck you sign up for. The girl, shorty fuck on your way in a blood clot prison. See them did not. So what the fuck you disrespect her, so? I what the fuck this? Let's continue the reading. I see it and I say I'm not going to say nothing because Addy. I say I got blood clot say something, dirty fucker. Dirty Addy, I don't like it. The fuck you disrespect her, so what the fuck she do you? She boring, she not want to go out, cause she not want up in the blood clot camera, cause she not take no video, of your song playing in the background and she shake her ass to it, and she did blood clot that when nobody never did it for you. If you know that. You think a blood clot shot did there? Lisa Hype was there. You should have married Lisa Hype. You should have married Lisa Hyper if that's something you wanted. Cause Lisa Hype was there. Yeah, from year 16, my there out Addy, a media studio with Addy, I aim for blood clot, man. Lisa Hype, you're mad in yourself. You need us to call Anthony Miller? Are you ready to go on Alaric show? The Alaric show. You ready to go on Alaric show? Let's go ahead and go into read Capricorn. I wanted to say that. I mean no disrespect. You know you're still gonna get the pussy. But I don't like how you're treating her. I don't like it. Nasty cultish behavior. We have the Three of Pentacles coming out first. Okay, so I'm getting something about a business deal, an arrangement, or I'm getting get the instruction as to what to do and when to do it. See them if you're going to the blood clot house and you find underwear on the bed, on the couch, or somewhere else, him need you for free the fuck out. See them, you're sure it's at the house where you don't live in with Vibes Cartel wired. You're sure in a wired with microphone and camera. Three of Pentacles, yeah. And Addy this, well, Addy's an emperor. Addy's a Capricorn, but he's also the emperor. It did bad enough when him just get out and him was with him lawyer and the man a whisper something into them ear and him say, hey girl, I'm looking at your blood clot face, you know. That was bad enough to get caught on blood clot camera. But you want Jamaican man. If see them was Jamaican, you'd talk to her the same way. I mean, no, Jamaican man love make threat. Some of them will go troop on the threat, but Jamaican man love make threat, especially if you disrespect them. But me know in that moment, if see them was a black Jamaican girl that did the same fuckery, he would have said the same thing to her. Hey girl, I'm looking at your blood clot face now, what kind of fuckery that? But see them is very, remember she very, see them and like the hardcore street girl them, you know. If a man talk to her, she'll say, hi, how are you? It's not that she flirt with a man. She don't know how to pick up when man are trying to use her for hurt Addy. She not gonna pick it up. She not a media girl. That is a wife. Not a wife where you have at home and you go, oh, go fuck on. Me getting that's how your wife's supposed to look. Your wife not supposed to argumentative, a shout and a scream, and I go on with beer, chase and conflict, and I accuse you. Shorty catch me last night with a fat brown girl a stand pipe. She swing off at me with a knife. Me hug her up and say that's alright because you know you are the love of my life. Nobody worry cause you are my wife. Me have to have a new girl every night. She find about Keisha, ask me why, me never mean to. You have to believe me. Another girl's gonna have a baby. You know you want me everything, me no need no other. But I get a bag of gal I run down the Gaza youth. What you expect him to do? Love them, cannot touch them. Different gal every day. There was no different girls every day when in a blood clot prison. So them was the only woman who was not fucking on you. Me getting one group, one set up in a group, and them I tell you what to do. Or me getting people when you're gone. Your watchman them, I'll go back to you and I tell you the things I must see them I do. I mean, I don't know if it's true or lie. We have the Queen of Cups. Yeah, me getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, woman. I don't know what see them zodiac sign is. We have the Moon card. And we also have the Two of Swords. Is she a Pisces? Me getting something about a Pisces woman. So I feel like at the moment, the girl what you deal with, me getting she feel me getting she here because she have to be here, but she feel like she can't leave. Duh. Me don't like that. I don't like it. Me don't like how I'm show her the middle finger so. And a Turkish girl. Me don't like how I'm trying to look on her birthday. I'm trying to look on her zodiac sign. It's a Shaban. Shaban January the 9th? Because Adisha Palmer born January 6th. No, January 7th. Yeah, Adisha born January the 7th. She born the 9th. Oh, no. The 13th of November? She's a 13? Okay, it says she born 13th of November. See them at my age? See them at 32. Girl, me at 32 couple days. In a couple days. Me never know me I see them at the same age. She strike me as much older though. Her demeanor is much older. Me never know that. Okay, let's continue the reading. So me getting that girl here. She feel trapped, she never wait. Me don't know, she feel... I'm getting waiting for you coming home was more excited than when you're home. Because she feel even more controlled and you're there. Okay? Maybe there's things she have to deal with in front of her face. I never like that. She asks you, yeah, I'm enjoying my black tea. Where's the honey? So the honey here. What the fuck you show her middle finger for? What the fuck she do you? What the blood? What she do you? Did she not pour that honey upon you? Can suck it off? What's the them do you for you do that to her? Pan camera in front of everybody and you think it blood clot funny. Adisha Palmer, that's why I never deal with Jamaican man, you know. Sorry. No, I didn't mean it that way. I did not mean... No, I didn't mean... I didn't mean it that way. I did not mean it that way. That's something I do with blood clot Jamaican man, you know. Let's continue. 3 of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Pentacles. Yeah, me getting something about gambling. Money. You're getting paid for the certain things to this woman. You're part of the cult too. Emperor is clarified by the her. Yeah. Me getting you secretly get recruited into this so-called group or an abused woman. And Adisha, you're in it too? Really? You're one of them? Because I know almost all of them, not all of them, but every man whom I come across with, I can tell if them is part of the same cult. I getting them come to you and tell you what to do. And you listen to them. Or me getting something about a Virgo. Queen of Cups is clarified by the lovers. See your wife here. See your woman. Now you say you want her. You put her in a one house. You make she wait for you. She waited on you faithfully. She never fucked the security guard. She never fucked the soldier. And she wasn't dry humping the blood clot wall. You come out of prison and now look how you treat her. I don't like it. To me, you look like you don't want to be with her no more. Adisha, you look like you don't want to be with her anymore. I won't lie. Because I feel like when you take pictures with her, she look like your wife. But I'm getting you don't want to be in the house every day. She does, because she's a wife, sir. And let's be honest, Adisha Palmer, you're not a husband material. You are a provider. You are for the ladies. You are some ladies' daddy. This is very true, but you're not really a husband. It's not really. When I look at Adisha Palmer, I don't say, wow, husband. That's not what I'm going to say. The Moon card is clarified by the 2 of Pentacles, and the 2 of Swords is clarified by the 9 of Wands. Me getting your girl is saying that she wants to go back and travel. She's just saying she wants to travel to see her family. Sweetie, I don't think she's going to come back. I don't know why she do that. Why him do that? Me even remember our video I did have of myself when I little, but my sister and them friend used to have Snapchat. And for some reason, them would always record me, but them not tell me what them I do on the record, what them I do with the recording. But them always record me dancing. There was even a video of me when me in a blue, and I shake my ass bending over upon a bed. In the house, I do what I usually do, and whoever Snapchat account it was, either my sister or them friend, capture the video and upload it there. So, remember one video where I have when I'm in this nice dress, and my hair they look good, and I'm looking at one mirror, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this to a guy with the name Andre, which is my sister friend. Cause every minute them keep put the fucking camera up in my face and I don't know why. So when them turn on the camera, I'm gonna do this to him and say, stop, fuck it, like, me just do this, fuck off, fuck off. But at the time, I never know said all of these footage them upload on them Snapchats. I never know that. But me just get annoyed with him. I know the same thing. Now who knows if them send that video to a man and the man think me I tell him to fuck off. Me never like how him, I don't know. Him laugh, but when I saw her expression, she wasn't laughing. That's disrespectful for as fuck. I mean, I don't care if you're a Gaza nation. We have Cancer. Yeah, it's getting aggressive, like Cancer. We have the number 4. You see them at 13. Washia 113. I'm a born at 13 too. 4 and 6, 64. Somebody's 46 years old. 6 and 4 is 10. And we have Pluto. I'm also getting something about your teeth is very sensitive to cool stuff. I don't know where that come from. You're getting your teeth. Every time you drink, you feel a shocking in your teeth sensitivity. You probably need to use Sensodyne. Right? Making something about your teeth. So if you notice you abuse a girl and all of a sudden your teeth start hurt you, yeah, at the cold, you have to pull a teeth. You have to go pull a tooth. I'm going to leave it here, Capricorn. Until next time. Bye.